I can cut like this, you know. Also you can make like this, no problem, but if you cut long strips, it will be good. It looks like good, yeah. Now you can take the leg, same as like that kinds of process, you know. Use that tips. Look, it's a little bit more thin, yeah. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11. Now we can make a little bit one. The leg is, the process is same, but I make a little bit different, you know, with cutting the skins and chopping the skins, you know. I'll follow the same process from here. I'll cut here. I'm gonna make the now I'm gonna cut, as I cut another leg, another fan, cucumber fans, so like this, yeah, a little bit more. You can take also a little bit seeds if you want. Now you can cut from here and put left, right side, and cut another one's left side. Let's see, yeah. So, right side. I'm gonna cut here from left side, yeah. Nice. Again, right side. I'm gonna make left side, yeah. Again, right side. Again, left side. Again, right side. Again, left side. Also, we can cut from here. Nice. Looks like this ones. It's great, you know. I really love this techniques. In a sushi decoration ideas, it is a little bit thick, you know. If you put if you make a little bit small and thin slice, it looks pretty good. If you put the sashimi and gunkans and put like this, oh my god, pretty good. Cut in the middles. That is a normal cucumber, and I'll make a little bit dry so it cannot move from my cutting board. You can do like this, you know. I'll show you, yeah. You can cut a little bit skins from here. You can take because I'm trying to give extra looks, you know. I'm trying to give extra level of garnish for the cucumber, to this cucumber. I took these skins. Again, also you can take skins. Another one is skins. I took tiny slice, skin slice, yeah, of cucumber. I'm gonna make the cucumber feather, yeah. That is my first times. Before I didn't make these ones. I always make some like that ones here. But let's see how it will be, yeah, how it will looks. If it looks very good, I'm gonna use in my sushi plate also. Okay, let's see. Now I'm gonna cut this way. I'll take out these ones. Now I'll put like this. I made the third one, if you remember one. Now I'll cut from here. This one, yeah. It was before like this. Look at me, yeah. Before it was like this, and I cut this side and I flip it, and now I cut in. I'm reminding you, yeah, don't go away from this video. Look this video all the end of this video, so you will learn many things. Now I was cutting like this. Now you're gonna see that is a little bit thick. I'm not going to use this. Look, from here skins, I took from here skins also, so it looks like cucumber feather, you know, peacock feather. Seems like a peacock feathers. Wants to see another ones? Let's see. I took the skins from here, I took the skins from here. Let's see, yeah. Now I'm gonna flip it. I'm gonna cut this side, this seats, yeah. Yes. Now it's like this. I hope this is very good. Looks pretty good. I'll cut from here. That is the half cucumber. I have here a little bit more seeds, that's why I'm cutting here, yeah. Cut very thin slices, you know, and don't cut your finger. If you are trying to first times, be careful, okay. It can be looks like this ones. Did you get it? But also we can make from here different kinds of flower. You can fold it from here. Look at me, yeah, and you can leave one and fold another ones. Leave one, fold another one. I'm going to upload this all. Yes. Did you see it? I really like this. This is an cucumber, and you can cut like this, yeah. You can cut, no. You can cut here. You can cut here and small slices, yeah. You can make like this also, no problem, yeah. Whatever you want. But I don't want these ones. I want the folded one, you know. These ones I already show you also. How many pieces I make? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I can say you that is the 12 types of very easy and simple cucumber decorations for the food garnish and food decorations also, and any kinds of salad decorations. I hope that cucumber carving and that cucumber garnish is really helpful to the beginners. That ideas will work all of you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos about things like this ones. You know what you want to see for next time, please comment below. Then after I'm gonna make. Have a nice day, guys. Thank you.